Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'm excited to share with you my online exclusive card making class for July 2020. In this class, you'll be creating 6 beautiful cards, all designed by me, using the Timeless Tropical stamp set. Let's go ahead and see these cards now. Here's the first card. The second one. The third. Number 4. Number 5. And then number 6. As you can see, they all have a similar look. And we're going to be learning a new technique using Sponge Daubers to create those blended backgrounds and to fill in the stamped images. When you sign up for this class, you're going to receive a package of pre-cut cardstock, as well as the accessories that you need to make these cards. You will also receive a package of Sponge Daubers and a chalk marker. To register for this class, you just need to email me at chelsea@creativechelsea.com, and that email address will be listed below. There will also be a link to my blog where you can see the details for this class. This class will be done through a private Facebook group, and so once you've paid for the class, you will receive that link and you can join. This class will be done all through live videos on this Facebook group. There will also be written PDF tutorials that you can view if you prefer this way of card making. So there are some supplies that you will need to have before you can create these cards, and they include the Timeless Tropical stamp set. If you have a die cutting machine, you might also consider getting the In the Tropics dies to make cutting out these images easier. If by chance you don't, you can always fussy cut these images as well. You will also need some ink pads for this class, and the Stampin' Up! Colors that you need are Shaded Spruce, Coastal Cabana, Mango Melody, Poppy Parade, Flirty Flamingo, and Soft Suede. You will also need your regular card making supplies such as adhesives, a pair of scissors, a pickup tool, and a bone folder. If you need any Stampin' Up! Supplies for this class, you can purchase through my online store, and the link is in the description box below. Another fun thing that I offer during this class are prizes, and every Friday during the class, we give away some small thank you gifts for participating in this class. The fee for this class is $30. All you need to do to register is to email me, and my email is listed in the description box below, and then you will receive a PayPal invoice from me. The dates for this class are July 6th through July 17th. And we will be having a class every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and they usually start around 10 a.m. Mountain Time. However, if you can't join us for a live video, they will always be available in this group for you to view at any time. I would love to have you participate. Please email me your interest at chelsea@creativechelsea.com. Have a creative day. Bye.